Hello everyone, welcome back in my YouTube channel. I'm Nisha. Today I'm going to solve the Lompiad worksheet of maths for second standard. This is first worksheet of maths, numbers worksheet. So let's start to solve this question. So question number 1. Which one of the following is correct about the places of digits 4, 5, 6 and 7 in the number 7654? So this question is based on the place value, and in place value we have to start the counting of digits from right hand side to left hand side. So this is the number 7654, right hand side and left hand side. Let's start to count these digits. So 4 is present at which place? 4 is present at 1's place. 5 is present at 10's place. 6 is present at 100's place. 7 is present at 1000's place. So see the options. So option 1, units 4. 4 is present at 1's place. In this answer 4 is present at 1's place, right? 5 is present 10's place. In this answer 5 is present at 10's place. Go through to next. 7 is present at 100's place, but in this answer 6 is present at 100's place. Next, 6 is present at 1000's place, but in this answer 7 is present at 1000 place. So this option is wrong option. So next, B option. 5 is present at 1's place, but in this answer 4 is present at 1's place. 4 is present at 10's place, but in this answer 5 is present at 10's place. So next, 6 is present at 100's place, but yeah, of course 6 is present at 100's place. 7 is present at 1000's place, 7 is present at 1000 place, but 5 is present at 1's place and 4 is present at 10's place. This is wrong, so this option is wrong. Go through to next unit, C option. 4 is present at 1's place. See the answer, 4 is present at 1's place. 5 is present at 10's place. Yes, of course 5 is present at 10's place. 6 is present at 100's place. 6 is present at 100's place. 7 is present at 1000's place. 7 is present at 1000's place. So correct option is C. Go through to next question. Question number 2. Here in this question we have to find the number represented by the 100, tens, 1, but figure is not here. So let me draw here the picture of abacus picture. Let me put the weights, because with the help of weights we have to make a number, and we can make the number by counting these weights. So this is 1's place, this is 10's place, this is 100's place. Okay, so start from right hand side to left hand side. At 1's place, how many weights? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. At 10's place, 1, 2, 3. At 100's place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's start the counting of these weights from right hand side to left hand side. So at 1's place, how many weights? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At 10's place, 1, 2, 3. At 100's place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So correct option is A option, 537. Go through to next. So next question, find the number which has 5 at 10's place and 5 at units place. Let's start to solve this question. 1's, 10's. So in question already mentioned that 4 is present at 1's place. So let's start. 4 is present at 1's place and 5 is present at 10's place. So number is 54. So correct option is A option. We can solve this question other ways also, like 5 is at 10's place. Let me write. 5 is present at 10's place, means 5 multiplied 10, so is equal to 50. 4 is present at 1's place, so 4 multiplied 1 is equal to 4. So add this number, 50 plus 4 is equal to 54. Okay. So go through to next option. I have rupees 867. Which is the correct number name for 867? So let's start to solve this question. 867. 7 is present at 1's place. 6 is present at 10's place. 8 is present at 100's place. So yes. So we can solve this. 8 is present at 100's place. 8 multiply 100 is equal to 800. 6 is present at 10's place. 6 multiply 10 is equal to 60. And 7 is present at 1's place. 7 multiply 1 is equal to 7. So add this number. 800 plus 60 plus 7 is equal to 867. See the options. So first option is 861, second 867, 870, and next 867. So first option is right. 867, this option is wrong because here there is no mention of exact position of 8 where 8 is present. Next here 870, no position of 8, no this option doesn't show that where 8 is present, at which place 8 is present. So D option 800, here the position of 8 is shown, but next 67, what does it mean? 67 means it looks the number of mobile phone 678 like. So exact option is A option. So go through to next question. So next question is, in 3456, the digit 5 is at dash place. We have to find the exact position of 5 where 5 is present. See the option: ones, thousands, tens, hundreds. So write down these numbers. 3456. Right hand side, left hand side. So this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, and this is thousands place. So here in this question, we have to find the position of 5. So in this number, 5 is present at tens place. So correct answer is tens. Go through to next option. Choose the even numbers from the given option AE. Refer to the textbook. So here figure is not here. So I am trying again. I am making a flow chart. Simple, we can't say flow chart. Boxes in which I have to put the numbers. Okay. So sixth question. A, B, C, D, and E. So A, here I am writing the number 59, B 663, 363, sorry, 1024, next 62, next 358. These are the number and we have to find the even number. First of all, what are the even numbers? Even numbers are those which are divided by 2. Okay. So see the first number. See the last digit of this number. So last digit of this number is 9. So 9 is not divided by 2. So this is not even number. This is odd number. Go through to next. See the last digit of this number. This is 3. So 3 is not even number. It's odd number. Okay. So go through to C. So here in this number 1024. So see the last digit 4. 4 is even number because it is divided by 2. So C is even number, means 1024. So 1024. So here this is even number. Now 62. See the last digit 2. 2 is divided. So 62 is also even number. And go through to last number. See the last digit 8. So 8 is even number. It is divided by 2. So it's also even number. Okay. So option here. Option is also not mentioned. So I'm writing here first option C, D, E, A, D, E, B, C, and E, A, C, and D. So C, D, E. This is the right option. Option A. This is right option because we have solved it. So which option is right? C, D, and E. So go through to next question. Arrange the following in ascending order. So these are the numbers, we have to arrange it. Okay. And these are the option. So 42, 26, 68, 33. Ascending order means smallest to largest. Smallest to largest. So let's arrange these numbers. Now first one. Which is smallest number here? 26, more than 26, 33, more than 33, 42, more than 42, 68. This is the ascending order, smallest to largest. So see the option. So option number B, B, D, A, C. So here B is 26, this is B, And next D. D is 33. This is D. 42. This is A. 62. This is C. So B, D, A, C. This is the correct option. Go through to next. How many tens are there in 43? In this question we have to find the place of 4. So how many tens? We have to find it. Let's start. This is ones place, this is tens place. So 3 is present at ones place and 4 is present at tens place. So how many tens? 4 tens. B option is right. And you can solve in this way. 4 tens means 4 multiplied 10 is equal to 40. And 3 ones, this is ones, this is tens. Ones, 3 multiply 1 is equal to 3. So add 40 plus 3 is equal to 43. So 4 tens. Go through to next option 9. Select the correct match. In this question we have to check the left hand side is equal to right hand side. So let's start. First one is 18 tens plus 11 ones is equal to 191. 18 tens means 1 means 18 multiply with 10. So 180 plus 11 ones means 11 multiply with 1. So 11 is equal to 191. See the right hand side. 192. 192 means 191 is equal to 192. This is left hand side, this is right hand side, not equal. So this is wrong. Go through to next. Next B option. 24 tens and 151 is equal to 85. Okay, so 24 tens means 24 multiply with 10. So it's a 240 minus 150 ones is equal to 150 multiply with 1. So it's a 150. So is equal to 85. This is right hand side, this is left hand side. Okay, so the answer is 90. 0 14 5 9. 90 is equal to 85. This is not equal. 0 14 5 9. Okay, this is not equal. Both the side are not equal. So this option is wrong. Go through to next option. C option. 70 tens and 5 tens is equal to 650. 70 tens means 70 multiply with 10. Okay, so and 5 tens means 5 multiply with 10s is equal to 650. This is right hand side, this is left hand side. So here 700 multiply minus 10 multiply 5 is 50 is equal to 650. Solve these. The answer is 5 and then 650 is equal to 650. 650 is equal to 650. So both the sides are equal. So this is the correct option. C option is correct option. So go through to next question, 10th. In 10th question, if 941 is equal to 900 plus a plus 1, then a. In this question we have to find the value of a. So let's start. 941 is equal to 900 plus a plus 1. Compare this equation. 941 is equal to, see this number and this. Both numbers have plus sign. So add together. So when we will add both the numbers, so we will get 901 plus a. So this is left hand side and this is right hand side. 941 and here 901. Now I am going to shift this number to left hand side. When I will shift this number to left hand side, so it will become negative sign. So 901 is equal to a. So solve this. 941 minus 901 is 40 is equal to a. So answer is 40. So option A. Its answer is 40.